Welcome back to CATIA Station, and in today's tutorial we are going to solve the problem that CATIA file is not saving when you install the CATIA P3 V5 R20. That is very common in CATIA, so we are going to resolve it in today's tutorial. So I have just opened the CATIA P3 V5 and it's starting. Just wait for some seconds, and we have only three steps to follow to enable the saving option. So here you can check whether your system is saving the file or not by simply in 4 seconds. Okay, right now you can go to the file and check there is no. Okay, I've just click on the print. So there is no save or save as option. So we have to enable this in today's tutorial, and we are going to the tools and go to the options. Next, in general, you have to come to the license, and here first you have to find here the DIC. Let's find here a DIC academic discover to configuration. You have to uncheck it. Okay, and after that you have to here 82, that is educational heat 2. You have to uncheck this one, and the last one is I3D. You have to find the I3D CATIA 3D inside to configuration. Okay, now you can okay and just close the CATIA and again open the CATIA P3 here. Now again you can go to the file and see the save as, save L, save all, and the save management. All the options are enabled. So this is how you can enable the saving problem that is normal in the CATIA P3 V5. I hope these three steps is clear to you. If still you face any problem while saving the CATIA file, then you can ask me in the comment section and I will try to resolve it. Thank you. And if you're new to CATIA Station, then kindly subscribe the channel and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you.